Lahore, as a power struggle between the ruling lawmakers and bureaucracy intensifies in Punjab, the opposition Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz (PMLN) is waiting for the right moment to try and bring down the Pakistan Tehreek-i-Insaf-led government in the country's largest province. Governance issues in Punjab have become headache for Prime Minister Imran Khan, whose recent move to fully empower Chief Secretary retired Major Azam Suleiman, Inspector General of Police Shoaib Dastgar and other top bureaucrats to minimize political role in administrative affairs has deepened the crisis. The emergence of a disgruntled group of 20 PTI lawmakers from southern parts of the province that wants distribution of public funds and public welfare projects and powers to transfer police and other officials of their choice in their respective constituencies is said to be a move planned by none else but Chief Minister Sardar Usman Buzdar to clip the powers of the top bureaucracy and establish himself as not-so-weak chief executive of the province. Mr. Buzdar wants his say in provincial matters to oblige the MPAs from South Punjab, from where he hails, D.G. Khan, says a PTI insider. MPA Sardar Shahabuddin is leading the angry group, with a pledge to continue raising voice till all their grievances are addressed. PTI's internal strife, Ali's demands, row with bureaucracy threaten Gov. Although Mr. Buzdar had never been a strong chief minister since assuming office about 1.5 years ago, PM Khan's reported move to run Punjab through the provincial bureaucracy did not augur well for him, CM Buzdar, and the ruling lawmakers. Ruling lawmakers, be it Punjab Governor Chaudhry Sarwar, PTI's Punjab Assembly members or even those belonging to its key ally, the PMLQ, complain about having no powers in administrative matters. Mr. Khan's close confidant Jahangir Tareen has reportedly assured the PMLQ of administrative share in the districts where it has a strong base, and its leadership Munis Elahi has expressed satisfaction over the government commitments, after which the coalition partner seems to have fallen silent, at least for the time being. Governor Sarwar, in a private TV channel talk, admitted that he had issues with the bureaucracy. The bureaucracy does not bother to respond whenever my office contacts it on any issue. I wonder how a minister's request to the bureaucracy for any work is termed illegal but it becomes legitimate when an officer asks for the same, Mr. Sarwar said. The governor said since PTI lawmakers had to address the issues of people in their constituencies, power should be devolved to the grassroots level. We will take up this matter with the PM, the Chief Secretary and the IGP. Our lawmakers should be given respect by the bureaucracy. Mr. Sarwar said. A provincial bureaucrat told Dawn that he had orders from the top not to take political pressure and uphold merit. Our bosses told us not to oblige any political pressure and work on merit, he said, adding the lawmakers' main job was policy making and they should not pressure them, bureaucrats, for transfers and postings of SHOs, Patwaris or other officials to oblige their voters. The party insider said PM Khan could not afford to have Mr. Buzdar replaced with anyone in the PTI. Imran Khan has been in the catch-22 situation. If he removes Buzdar, then who will take vote of confidence for the chief minister, keeping in view a very thin majority in the Punjab Assembly? Other obvious choice he has from the ally party is Chaudhry Pervez Elahi, but that decision he will have to take under some compulsion if he, Khan, is stuck in a blind alley at the end of the day, the insider observed. Interestingly, Punjab Information Minister Fayazul Hassan Chauhan insisted Mr. Buzdar had full powers of the chief executive of the province and the bureaucracy was under him. While speaking to Dawn, Mr. Chauhan said, "This is a wrong impression that the chief minister has formed any pressure group of MPAs to seek powers from bureaucracy. There has been no forward block in the PTI. However, difference of opinion among the ruling lawmakers is the beauty of democracy." Asked if the governor or the chief minister of Punjab would speak to PM Khan over these issues, Mr. Chauhan said,